A cylinder of base diameter 35 mm and axis height 55 mm is surmounted over a square slab of 60 mm side and 25 mm thickness. Draw the isometric view of the combination. Let us draw the orthographic view first. The square slab is having a side of 60 mm, and let us draw a square slab of 60 mm side. And over this square slab, the cylinder is resting or it is mounted, and let us mark the center of this solid. Draw thin lines. Okay, now I have marked the center of the solid, and then take 17.5 mm radius. So it accounts for the diameter of 35 mm, and draw a circle over here. Okay, then draw the front view. Draw the base first. The base is a square slab of height 25 mm thickness. Over that square slab, draw the cylinder of height 55 mm. Now we have drawn the orthographic projection. We have to mark the dimensions now. Then move to the isometric view. Let us draw a horizontal line, a vertical line, a vertical line, a 30-degree line towards the right, a 30-degree line towards the left. Then draw the base surface first. The base surface is having a dimension of 60 into 60. So draw 60 mm to the right side here and 60 mm here. Then draw parallel line towards the right hand side 30-degree line to form the base square. Similarly, draw parallel line to the left hand side 30-degree line from this point. Okay, now we have drawn the base surface, and the base slab is having a height of 25 mm. So rise 25 mm from all the bases. And let us draw in thin line, and let us connect the top face of the slab in thin line. Now we have drawn the base slab. Over the base slab we have to draw the cylinder of dimension 35 mm. So measure the distance from here. Measure the distance from here. Measures around 12.5 mm. So mark that here to the right hand side and the left hand side. And mark that line towards this 30-degree line. Similarly, mark the same distance from here because this is a cylinder. Both the sides will be having the same dimension, 12.5 here, 12.5 here. Let us mark the line parallel to this right hand side 30-degree line. So now we got a square in the center. So that will be having a side of 35 into 35. So inside the 35 into 35 mm square, we have to draw the circle, base circle, and over that we have to draw the top circle to form the cylinder. So for drawing that base circle, we have to follow the 4-center method. Let us mark the center point of all these 4 points. This having a dimension of 35 mm. So at 17.5 mm we have to mark the center here. Similarly 17.5 mm from this line, and this line. Okay, now we have drawn 4 points. So let us connect the points. Let us connect the left side point to the top point and right side point to the top point, right side point to the base point, and left side point to the base point. So now we got 4 centers, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here. So using these 4 centers we have to draw the circle. It will be look like an ellipse. So by having this point as center and this point as radius, draw an arc here. Okay, then having this point as center and this point as radius, draw an arc here. Okay, similarly having this point as center and this point as radius, draw an arc here. Okay, then raise the 35 mm square to a height of 55 mm. So that to draw the top face of the cylinder, raise this point to 55 mm. Similarly this point, this point, and this point. So now we got 4 points here. Using that 4 points, draw a parallelogram. Now based on these points and using 4-center method, we have to draw an ellipse here. So mark the center points of the 4 lines. I have marked the center point of all the 4 lines. Then connect the left side point to the top point, right side point to the top point, right side point to the bottom point and left side point to the bottom point. Then using your compass, you have to use the 4 center method. The 4 centers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Using this 4 center, you have to draw the ellipse. By having this point as center and this point as radius, having this point as center and this point as radius, draw an arc here. Then having this point as center and this point as radius, draw an arc here. Then having this point as center and this point as radius, draw an arc here. Then having this point as center and this point as radius, draw an arc here. So now we have got the top circle. Let us connect these points to form a cylinder. We have connected this point to form a cylinder. Then we have to darken the visible portion of the base slab. Here it is visible up to this point, and here it is visible up to this point. And let us darken all the portions. That's all. Thank you.